Let's get back to Ekta. Ekta, a couple of pharma stocks are still buzzing around.
Yes, well, there is a big drug which is actually going off patent. Now, this particular drug, it's a cardiac drug called Crestor generic. It's around $3 billion in terms of sales in the US market. The innovator is AstraZeneca, and it is one of the biggest launches in terms of generic launches by the US FDA this year itself. So what this means is that tomorrow it is going off patent. However, there is a particular litigation which is still pending in the US, which if in case it goes for AstraZeneca and the court rules in favor of AstraZeneca, and if that happens by today, then maybe there could be a patent extension which could take place. And if that happens, then the generic companies which have filed for this particular drug will not be able to launch. If there are around 10 to 11 companies which have tentative approval for this particular drug. If they get final approval for it, then they can launch tomorrow itself. Within the Indian companies, there's Glenmark, Alkem, Torrent Pharma, which had Sun Pharma, which have filed for this. Now, the highest probability is that Glenmark and Alkem will be launching tomorrow if they get final approval. Torrent is expected to launch in Q3 of FY17. Sun Pharma, there's a question mark. If there's a successful site transfer that they've managed, then they would launch. Remember that if it's more than 5 competitors who launch the generic version of this drug, it will get diluted in terms of an opportunity. Maximum around $15 million, $20 million is what companies could make. If it is less than 5 companies which launch it, then it could be a big winner.
Okay.